graph f of x equals x squared plus 3. In order to graph this function, we'll find some points that would be on the graph. So we'll make a chart, and we'll have values of x and the corresponding values of f of x, which equals x squared plus 3. I'm going to choose a number of values for x, and whichever values, I'm choosing the values, and if you were doing this, you might choose different values. So let's try -2 for x. This would give us the function value, -2 squared, which is 4, plus 3, which is 7. Let's choose -1 for x. F of -1 would be -1 squared, which is 1, plus 3, which is 4. Let's try x is 0. Then we have f of 0, which is 0 squared plus 3, or 3. We'll try x is 1. F of 1 would be 1 squared plus 3, or 4. And one more. If x is 2, f of 2 would be 2 squared plus 3, which would be 7. So we actually have ordered pairs, -2, 7, -1, 4, 0, 3, 1, 4, and 2, 7. We're going to plot each of those points. We have -2, 7, -1, 4, 0, 3, 1, 4, and 2, 7. Graphing, we'll see that we have something of the shape that comes down here, curves, and goes back up. And we label our graph f of x equals x squared plus 3.